important words in cartoons that we didn't understand in childhood.
You must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work. And you must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul.
What if it's not everything I dreamed it would be?
Well, that's the good part, I guess. You get to go find a new dream.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for? It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. Ah! You see? So what are you going to do?
Your story may not have such a happy beginning, but that doesn't make you who you are. It is the rest of your story, who you choose to be.